Alright, well, here's a master. The letter, it's numbers. A customer gave me this lock, and star is what it's set on right now. So we're going to turn it to where it can't be seen. Spin it around. Make sure it is on the letter. Feels like it. Pop it up, put it in. Alright. And turn it. Mix it back up. And we're locked. I have never picked one of these. Never tried to decode one. So let's get started here. Let me see which ones. I'm waiting to feel a give on the wheel. Right there, I felt a give on the L on the third one. So, let's see what the bottom does. Let's try the second one here. Push in, then tension it. So, NL. Oh, right there's a give. Let's see what we got on the top. And right there. So RHLL is the code. These are not hard to decode. Pretty fun, actually. So, pretty easy to decode. A customer gave me this, and like I said, I'd never tried decoding one until now. Alright, everyone. Be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. On to the next.